When you look at this device right here, this is a device called a stick. It requires you to use that little piece of stick right there to be able to weld the device. And all you need is the current, and let it do its job. Turn it on and go from there. On another one, this is what they call grinding. That is grinding the stuff, preparing the material that you need. Grinding. Grinding whatever material it is to prep it before you do a little bit of those and right now we're going to demonstrate how to put the stick in a stick weld. And that's it. Once he is ready, all he got to do is turn on the device and start stick welding. It's going to look just like so. The next thing I want to discuss is talk about torching. Basically cutting the material, the metal piece, preparing for whatever project they have going on. And it's called torch. By utilizing the gas and whatever the name is, but a fuel right there that makes things fuel up. With the torch and the material, you don't need to prepare. It's ready to rock and roll just to be able to cut the material there. Breaking.